Hey, guess what, everyone? I just picked up a Camp Chef Woodwind 24 over at Dick's. So, bringing this bad boy home. We're gonna assemble it and get it ready for the weekend. So check it out. Okay, this thing came in 2 boxes, which is kind of interesting. I was not expecting that, but oh well, we'll see. Time to unload it. These bags, there's a ton of bags with screws and bolts and all kinds of hardware. Luckily, they're numbered. So step 3 corresponds to step 3 of the manual. Step 4, step 5, etc. You know, they're all corresponding to the manual, which is a good thing. It makes it much easier to follow. Camp Chef 24. Got plenty of cooking surface, and then these grates that come out and provide some extra surface. Here's the hopper. Digital interface. It's got this is basically the clean out bucket, I believe, for the ashes. Drop the ashes into this cup, and then you can empty this out. You have to read the manual and figure out exactly how they recommend to do this, but here's the wood chip bucket. You can basically throw some wood chips in there, different flavors and different types of wood, so that you can give it that extra smoky taste. If your pellets aren't flavorful enough. And this basically opens up the amount of wood smoke that gets infused into the smoker. This is the, I believe this is another clean out. And here's the drip tray. Yeah, that's it. Double insulated, which is really nice. It's all stainless steel. The majority of it is, which I really like. Extra bonus is this is a bottle opener. Oh, some vent ports. Instead of having the typical chimney, it's got these ports, so it vents out the back. Nice looking one. Next thing is I need to order a cover. So we'll see if the one that I have for the Traeger covers it. Alright. Hey, as you can see, the power was in the Camp Chef. It was easy to assemble even indoors under low light conditions. And I'm excited to try it out this weekend, just in time for Cinco de Mayo. Arriba! Yeah!